So you decide that you're interested in having top performers on your development staff. Here's what you do. You will send us an email of a person that you would like to take this assessment tool. We will send the tool to them. They have 7 days to complete the assessment. Then they submit it. We get it immediately. Our team reviews it, and then we call you and we walk you through the results of that report with a 22-page follow-up of suggestions of how you can get the most out of that particular person. And if you would like, our team is willing to call the person who took it to walk them through it so that they'll have a personal growth opportunity. We have clients who will not hire any employee now without going through this process, or have all of their team members take it so they can learn how to work better together. It's making a difference. People are raising the most money they've ever raised with resilient people. Just yesterday, I got an email from one of our clients who just got a $2.5 million gift from an individual. Let us show you how to do that for your team. Join others who have received their largest fundraising gift ever by using the BrightDot approach.